Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass top. Fits the 99-07 Ford Super Duty with 8-foot bed. It's a Cargomaster cab high unit. It's in decent shape. It does have some cosmetic damages. Right here in the corner we have some chips here on the paint and the fiberglass. A couple chips up through here. A little bit of a crack right there on the window. Top looks good. Top edge looks good. No major damage on there. Looks bottom edge. Biggest thing is it was set on the ground, so the bottom edge has a little bit of chips and stuff on the bottom edge. You can see that there. It's really not bad looking. Oh, birds got us. Just wash this thing. And a couple chips right into there. Does have the quarter side slider on the side. Front is front sliding window in it. Front edge got a couple chips right here. It looks really good. Other than that, got a little bit of a scuff mark where it's probably rubbed up against the cab, or might have been slid up against something when it was off the truck. Some scratches right down here, right there, but not in bad shape there. Sliding window in the front. Side top edge looks pretty good. Small little speckles in the paint, but a couple of those, some of those are paint chips there, but most of those are just little speckles that probably would buff out if you put some wax on it. A little bit of a chip here on this corner as well. Same thing, this thing was set on the ground, so both sides kind of got some edge chips on them. All the way down through right in here. It's a little bit of a paint flake right there, but really not all too bad. Same thing on the side, quarter side sliders. Does have the double T handle, locking rear doors. Inside is just a bare fiberglass. Screen on this side has a hole down at the bottom. Pretty good tear actually, but right there. Vent windows open up for ventilation. This screen here has got a small hole about the same spot as the other one is, actually. Odd location for both of them to be, but there it is. Cab high fiberglass top by Covermaster. Fits the 99-07 Ford Super Duties with the 8-foot bed. Z1 white is the color. Below is a link to this unit. On our website, you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a website, there's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, deck units, those can all be purchased online as well. Just click that link and you can purchase online. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.